We've seen big market moves today. The S&P around 2% down as I'm recording this. The Nasdaq down over 3% and Nvidia down double digits. A big move in the chip space. What's been going on? Well, we saw over the past of the last week and chatter increasing over the weekend, concern around the capex that's been occurring within the chip space and rapidly changing dynamics within AI. Specifically, DeepSeek, a Chinese AI app, was released over the last week, a new version, and it came out that it was cheaper and more efficient to inference. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is that it can be run locally on a high-end workstation. And so what that meant is it sent ripples across the stock market today, the market reaction being quite large, with the key takeaway being that it had lower cost to train, meaning lower capex is needed. We've seen big numbers from the hyperscalers investing in chips and power in order to catch the next wave in AI. And these numbers are all uncertain, but if less chips are needed, those big capex numbers maybe aren't needed as much in the future, and NVIDIA could be hit because of that. And so that's what the market's trying to sort out today. The key question for data center builders going forward is whether we're going to stay in this build at all cost strategy or we're going to go to a more capital efficient type of strategy. Our managers are all over this. We, as you know, in Russell Investments, work in a multi-manager, multi-asset approach to make sure that portfolios are diversified. We've been speaking today and over the weekend with our active managers to get their insights. The key takeaway that I have in speaking with them is opportunities are going to be divergent and quickly changing. And because of that, you're going to need active managers who are nimble, able to find the cutting edge trends and stay in front of them because markets are moving fast. Happy to keep the updates coming as well. As we sit here today, again, down around 2 percentage points on the S&P 500, probably more volatility to come as the market sorts through the opportunities and risks on a go-forward basis around AI.